Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 3500 Chassis Cab Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, wheels, 17 inches x6 steel chrome clad, front fog lamps, diesel gray black HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, quick order package to your tradesman included, engine 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel transmission, 6-speed auto-izing AS69 RCHD rear dome lamp matte black grille upper lower appliques halogen quad headlamps dorsal scuff pads glove box map courtesy lamp, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, urea dual 730 amp maintenance free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller smart diesel exhaust brake supplemental heater gross vehicle weight, 12,000